So it was time to harvest some of the calamondins that I've been growing now for about 5 years here in Zone 6B. And if you've been subscribed to my channel for a while, you know that I have to put my citrus trees in my garage for about 6.5 months out of the year because it is very cold where I live and they have to be protected from frost. Now this little citrus here is a cross between a mandarin orange and a kumquat, and it's very tart. But it is perfect for baking pies and using in other desserts. So today I'm going to make a little pie, and I actually uploaded a video not long ago showing how I like to harvest the calamondins. So I will leave a link for you if you'd like to check that out. Now we'll start by preheating the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and I need to separate my eggs. I need 4 egg yolks, and then I need to use just a little bit of an egg white for my pie crust. And so I want to beat it real well until it's nice and thin, and I will brush this on to the pre-made pie crust. And you notice that I'm using a Oreo cookie pie crust. I just really like the flavors of orange and dark chocolate, so I thought that would be a perfect match for this little pie. And so into the oven it goes for about 7 minutes, and while that is baking, we need to zest a couple of the calamondins. I need about a teaspoon for the pie, and I will leave the measurements below the video in the description area if you'd like measurements for the pie. I also need a half a cup of the juice, and these calamondins are very juicy, but they're also very seedy, so I like to strain it out when I juice it. So you need, like I said, about a half a cup of the juice. And now the pie is done, so I'll set that aside and let it cool. And now we'll make the filling, and so I need 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, and in go the egg yolks, along with a little bit of vanilla, and of course the juice. And we'll mix that real well. And I'll add the zest here at the very end. I like to just kind of stir that in on my own because sometimes if I beat it in with the whisk attachment, a lot of it ends up sticking to the whisk, and so I don't want to waste my zest there. So in it goes, and we'll just mix that up real good, break it up real good into little strands. And now into the pie crust, and it goes into the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 17 to 20 minutes. And then here is just some background video footage for you guys who always ask me why I wear gloves. Well, I can't stand to cook in a dirty kitchen, so I clean up my dishes as I'm cooking. And so the dishwashing detergent I use is very drying to the skin, but it works great and I love using it. But it will dry out my skin, and so I try to time my videos and all the cleanup so that I don't have to wear my gloves longer than about 20 to 30 minutes. So anyway, there you go, probably more information than you need. It also helps protect my nails when I have them, you know, painted and looking pretty. But at any rate, there you go. So my pie was ready, and out of the oven it comes, and it is still a little bit jiggly there in the center, and that's what you're looking for because we are going to chill this, and it will go into the refrigerator overnight where it will set up further. I made sure to cover it, and then the next day it was ready to enjoy. I wanted to make a little bit of whipping cream to go right on top. I have also uploaded a video on that. I'll make sure to leave a link for you. So I just took a little bit of heavy whipping cream with some vanilla and a little bit of sugar, and it was ready to enjoy. I also had a mandarin on hand, so I just took a little section of that out and put it right there just to make it a little bit pretty for the picture. So there you go. I hope you're able to enjoy this wonderful pie soon, and thank you so much for watching. Y'all have a beautiful day.